Now, let's go back to the next layer, which is the infrastructure layer. So here, I will talk about one performance indicator, which is the velocity. What is the velocity? Here, let's imagine that the velocity here we are referring to is the ability to ship a new data center or deploy a new data center, right? So since intelligence is the new product, intelligence as a service is what people are running after, or these countries are running after, and now it has become an industrial product. It is deeply dependent on data centers. It is deeply dependent on the speed at which you can give access to these companies, for data, for compute, for power, for everything. So in US, all of these data center timelines are around 24 to 36 months. That means it takes US 36 months or 3 years to set up one data center. But when it comes to China, they have this paradigm of setting up a hospital in a weekend. That means they can also set up a data center in order of quarters or maybe order of 6 months, right? The way they have kind of structured their data centers is also very clever. So all the high training resources or all the high training compute resource centric data centers are lying in one region, and all the user data, all the PII data, all the user centric data is lying in on one side of the data center, which is the east. But they have a very significant engine, velocity, the ability to ship a data center in 6 months, whereas US is very much private and requires tons of approvals, and they take a lot of time to set up one data center.